Welcome. My name is Max Hackman, and today I'm going to show you how to do some basic searching with the Films on Demand database. After you get to the Daytona State College Library webpage, scroll down and select the database link on the right-hand side of the page. This will bring you to an alphabetical listing of all the databases we have at Daytona State College. We'll select the F, and it'll be the first one listed. We'll select that. I've already logged in. If you guys have any trouble logging in, please reach out to us through chat or email. And we can definitely help you with any problems you might encounter. Films on Demand database, it has a search bar here at the top. If you kind of know what you're looking for, this is an excellent way to begin your search. If not, you can always browse. There's quite a bit of different options here, such as the featured videos for the month, kind of addressing the situation we're going through now with being stuck at home and dealing with the coronavirus. One of the other neat ways is if you keep scrolling, down here is you can look at the producers. So who has produced these different shows is another way to search. So HBO I was surprised to find on here. So we'll select them. We'll do some searching right here. And so you get the full videos are available. So the big documentaries, and then even Chernobyl, the series here. If we select the name Chernobyl, we'll actually go to that series, and you can see that every video within the series is available. If we select one of the videos here, and we go into it, we are actually provided even more information than what we would be if we were looking on HBO's online services. You can see there's a transcript over here to the side. I'll wait for the video to load here. It lets you know exactly how long the video is as well. You can share it a number of different ways through email. You can actually get the embedding link as well to share it that way. Again, you'll have to have access to it, so sharing could be a little tricky. If you have any problems with that, let us know. The citation is here as well. 4 different citation styles here are available, and then also you can actually view tips from video on demand or films on demand on how to cite the video. So lots of help there available for you. Let's go back out here. Again, this transcript is over here on the right hand side of the page. There's a description. If you scroll down, there's even more details here about the episode we're looking at. If we scroll up, if you know exactly what you're looking for and you kind of would like to search for it, this top search bar works as well. So let's search for Ken Burns. He's pretty popular. Has a lot of videos out there through PBS. So let's see what we get back. It's actually 1,500 results, so that's pretty good. A lot of different videos. His jazz series is available on here. Let's take a look at that. It's a very good series, very long series though. And actually here we go. We can see it's all available here. Let's take a look at the first video. And it shows us all the segments that are available within this first program. We scroll down, we get some, again, the background information and description, and again, all the same resources that were available on the last one. So if you guys have any trouble, please reach out to us through chat or email, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.